Good morning, Shreya. Thank you for checking in with me. All right, finish up your final thoughts in the chat and then we will get started. And before I forget to tell you, your STAR student on Monday, are you ready to go? Your slides? Okay, cool. Is Liam?
Battleship.
And then you are a week from Monday, okay? So you'll be the following week. So if you want to start doing your STAR student, that's a good idea. You can start collecting photos and things that you want to go on your slideshow.
Are we going to do Battleship?
We are going to do some Battleship. Thank you, Wyatt, for reminding me. Okay, chat is going to host only mode. Okay, good morning. Type in the chat to me how you are feeling today. How are you feeling? Happy Friday. Only kind of awake, Shazam. I see lots of sleepies. Maya, write more to me. Why? Liam, I sent it to mom and dad in an email. It's also on their weekly update so they can help you, okay? Gwen, you stayed up till 8 o'clock? You stayed up later than I did last night. Okay, cool. Everyone's feeling pretty good. Maya, I'd like to hear more from you in the chat. Okay, so we are in our morning meeting. I have some shout outs today. Jalen, you finished subtraction in extra math yesterday, so awesome job. And we read 700 books on Epic, so I'm gonna give a whole class point for that. Awesome job. I still have some friends who need to finish a few things. I updated this list as of 7:45 this morning. So you might have already completed something and I just haven't taken your name off. So I will edit this list and repost it at the end of the day or towards the end of the day so that you know if you need to complete something. Adrani, you stayed up till 1 a.m. Oh my goodness. You must be tired. So just a heads up, you might owe me some time. Some friends owe me some extra math. A couple friends need to just submit their assignments properly on Seesaw. But I'm very proud of all the hard work that you guys did this week. You guys worked so hard. So keep it up. We will get started on math in just a few minutes. We're gonna do some Battleship first. Math is going to be relatively short today. We're going to do a couple warm-up problems, and then I want you guys doing extra math today. So extra math is going to be our focus, and then we will start lesson 3 on Monday. Ouch, Maya. Gwen, go ahead and type the question in the chat. Phonics is on your own today. Remember, if you need the SIP sound cards in front of you, you can print them. And the link is right there. Here's your break timer.
Where's Mize?
We have small group today. I'm going to be meeting with Shazib, Jane, Sahaj, Alan, Kendall, Mia, Maya, Bailey, Shreya, Jalen, and Adrani. Remember that those friends need your ready reading packet, that unit 1 packet, the huge one, and a pencil, because we are going to get started right away. Library is on your own today, so there's all the live links that you will need. Ready reading, we are going to go back over what we did yesterday because the lesson didn't go through and we had a lot of technical difficulties. So we're going to redo that lesson and then we're going to watch a video to go along with it. And then you will go to lunch. After lunch, we're going to be doing our Friday journal. I set up a slide that's specifically for sentence starters to maybe help you kind of think of some ideas of things to write about. And then once you're done, you need to do your unfinished work. I will be moving that slide, this slide. I'll be moving it down here so that you can see if you need to do some unfinished work. And then all of your choices are below. Gwen, can I do iReady after 2 o'clock? Yes, you can do iReady after 2 o'clock. That is fine, Gwen. Yes, you guys technically have until the end of day Friday. So if you can't do something until after school, that's totally fine. Okay. I will be checking it off again on Monday as well, or this weekend. I like to watch your guys' seesaws on the weekend. Shreya, question.
So on phonics, we tried printing it, but we tried the printing option, but the printing option did not work for our printer, and the option was not like working.
Has anyone else tried printing the SIPs? Mia, were you able to print them? Yes or no? You weren't? Okay, I will look into that. It's probably my bad. Let me go play with my link. Sound cards, and I will work on that today, okay? Thank you for letting me know. I also didn't see anyone post their quick write yesterday on Seesaw. So you need to go post a photo of your quick write from yesterday during writer's workshop to Seesaw so I can read it, okay? Make sure you're reading the entire slide. It said on the slide, post it to Seesaw, take a picture and post it. So make sure you read the entire slide because sometimes there's changes on there that you might miss. So just a heads up. Okay, let's play some Battleship. Longitude, latitude, this is the right one. You guys, let's sink some ships. I'm going to call some friends. Let me start my sticks over. Call on some friends. Let's see. Eli. And everyone start thinking about your coordinates that you want to say if I call on you. Eli, would you like to give some coordinates?
Yeah.
Which one would you like to do?
35 west.
35 west? There's only 30 or 60?
I mean 30.
30.
West. And 60 north.
Awesome, you sunk that ship. I was waiting for someone to sink it. Okay, that ship is done. Shreya.
So mine is 90 east.
Okay.
And 75 north. 90
east, 75 north. That is a miss. Close though. I zoom it in for you guys. Okay, next one. Adeline.
1 second.
Okay. Do you want me to come back to you?
Wait, no, I got it. Can I do 150 east and then 60 north?
60 north. Ooh, you sunk that ship, Adeline.
Yes.
Very nice. You guys are starting to get it. All right, Wyatt. Unmute yourself.
I'll do 60 east and 50 north.
60 east, 50. There's no 50 north. There's 60 north or 45 north.
Is this first?
5 north.
So is this the eyesight?
Which one?
Eyesight will generate an error message listing the rows and the.
Wyatt, which one would you like? 60 east and which one?
15 north.
50 north. There's no 50. Are you saying 60?
No, 15.
Oh, 15. 60 east, 15 north. That is actually a miss. But you're on to something, Wyatt. You are on to something. Orion. Ryan, would you like to share?
Yeah.
Okay.
So 90 east
90,
and 75 north.
90 east, 75 north. We already did that one.
Okay.
Do a different one.
51 east and 30 south.
Okay, so do you say you want 150 east? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay, 150 east, and what was the south one?
30 south.
30 south. Okay, that is a miss. Close. Bailey. Bailey.
I got another one. So if we go this way,
Bailey, which one would you like? What was I gonna do?
60 east.
60 east.
90 north.
Say the north one again. 60 east. Bailey, can you say it one more time for me?
90 north.
90? Okay. 60 east, 90 north is a miss. You guys should start thinking about this red dot over here on Africa.
I know, that's why I'm like, okay, I would do 15.
Okay, let's see. Next friend is Maya.
And 15 north.
You said 30 east, 60 north. That is a miss. But you are on to something, Maya. Zay. Zay. Do you want to share? Do you want to pick? Unmute yourself. Give me a longitude coordinate and then a latitude coordinate. Pick one of these.
30 east and 45 north.
Oh, you're so close, but that is a miss. Zay, you're also onto something. All right, let's try and sink this ship. Jalen, would you like to go?
30 east and 30 north.
30 east, 30 north. That is a hit. 30 east, 30 north. Awesome. Okay, Adrani. Would you like to go? Yeah. Come on, Adrani, sink the ship.
All right, I'll say 30 east.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. I was looking at the FPD and I didn't want it to make it too small for you, so I closed it. All right, how's that?
So we're actually 60.
Remember, ships don't bend.
Oh, 60 east and 50 north.
30 north. Okay, that is a miss. You have the right idea though, Adrani. Addison. Where is Addison on my screen? There you are.
I'll take.
Try and sink the ship,
I'll
Addison.
I'll take 90 east and 60 north.
That is a miss. All right, I'm gonna do a couple more friends. Jet.
90 east and 60 north. Yeah, I didn't get a hit.
Jet. Would you like to go?
Yeah.
Just unmute yourself. Jet, do you want to guess? Unmute yourself if you want to guess. Okay, unmute yourself. Come on, Jet, sink the ship. What coordinates would you like?
150 west
Okay.
and 45 south.
35 south. That is a miss. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more friends. Gwen. Say that one more time. Gwendolyn. What coordinates would you like?
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go. Sounds good. Sahaj.
3 east
Okay.
to 5 north.
5 north. You sank the ship, Sahaj. Good job, you guys. We will end it there. You have a 3-minute break. We'll continue this next week. You have a 3-minute break. You need your whiteboard, your marker, and your eraser. 3-minute break. Chat is open. It works when you're in here, so maybe you just have to stay in here and then it'll work.
You know?
Mia, can you use the chat appropriately, please? Okay, you have about 1 minute to have all of your items. You need a whiteboard, you need a whiteboard marker, and you need an eraser. Yes, say, question. Zay, do you have a question?
Sorry, no.
Okay. Maya, do you have a question? No? Emily, do you, oh, Emily's gone. She will share. All right, you're back in your seat, sitting up, ready to learn, ready to review. You have your whiteboard marker, you have your whiteboard eraser, and you have your whiteboard. Finishing your final thought in the chat. You guys don't really even talk about anything. You kind of just say hi a bunch of times. Okay, go ahead and bring it back. I am going to turn chat to host only mode. And we have a warm-up problem. Here is your warm-up problem. You can use any method to show your work. 13 minus 8. Show your work and then write the equation. Show your work and then write the equation. Here is your warm-up problem.
Miss Mize,
Awesome job, Zay, getting started right away. Yes, Kendall.
I cannot find my whiteboard. I had it in the same spot where I put it yesterday, and now it's gone.
Okay, look for it a little bit later. How can we problem solve this?
Okay, right on a
you
piece
grab?
of paper.
Ooh, we can grab a blank piece of paper. You got it. I can see Eli working hard. Awesome job, Sahaj, for working hard. I see Jalen writing. I can see Shreya writing. Liam and Adeline, I need your videos on, please. Thank you. Liam, I need your light on. We're sitting up.
Do we have to answer this problem with a math, with a strategy?
Yes, with a strategy. Awesome question. Yes, and you can do more than one strategy. If you finish one strategy, do a second strategy. All right, I'll give you about 30 seconds. Pencil down in 10, or marker down in 10, 9. You have 8 seconds to cap your marker. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, giving me eyes. Thank you, Jane. You're giving me eyes. You're ready to listen. You're showing me you're ready. I appreciate that. Ojas, thank you for showing me you're ready. Okay, type in the chat what strategy you used. Type in the chat, what strategy did you use? And then I'm gonna go over a few of them. Ten frames, drawing pictures, counting on, number bond, fact families. Adeline, I'm not sure what that means. Shazabe, I don't know what that means. 10 frames, make a 10. 10 frames. Awesome. Okay, so some of the strategies you could have used, 13 minus 8. Go ahead and check your work as we go. So what I would do is I would start with the bigger number, and I'm gonna draw 13 dots. So you know we're gonna fill up one 10 frame, and then we're gonna have 3 left over in our second 10 frame. And then from there, I can cross out 8. I'm always going to cross out from the 10 frame that isn't full first. And then I'm gonna cross out 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you know that we have 5 left. So that is how you can represent with a 10 frame. On a number line, we could work backwards. We could make a 10 right here. So we know that's 3 spaces, and we need to get to 8. So we could go another 2 spaces. 3 plus 2 equals our 5, our answer. So you can use a number line. If you were to use a number bond, your 13, your bigger number, your sum goes up here. Usually number bonds, we only use in addition, but you can technically use it in subtraction. So it would look something like this. And then from there, you could make your fact families. We have 1 up here, so 13 minus 8 equals 5. We could flip the 2 smaller numbers. And then our addition would be 8 plus 5 equals 13, and 5 plus 8 equals 13. Okay, you can also do the counting on or counting backwards. So you could write out the numbers, and then from there, you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's more strategies than that. You could draw a picture, but here are all of the kind of some answers to check your work. Thumbs up if we feel good about our strategies. Okay, erase your board. I'm going to put a problem up on a piece of paper. I want to look at this problem. Number 2. Number 2. Marker up, capped, so I know that you're ready to move on. Emily's ready, Jalen's ready. Jane is on it today. Maya is ready, Zay is ready. Jet's giving me eyes. Ojas is giving me eyes. Adeline's giving me eyes. Okay, listen to this problem very carefully. It's meant to trick you. Which equations are in the same fact family as 15 is equal to 9 plus 6? How this is trying to trick you is it's putting the 15 first. It's putting the sum first. But remember what I talked about yesterday. Anything that's on the left side of the equal sign is always going to be the same as what's on the right
Which side. page is this? Which book is it?
You don't need anything. You're still on your whiteboard, Wyatt. Great question though. Okay, so all it's asking, this is the same as if I wrote 9 plus 6 equals 15. It's the same. I'm just flipping the numbers on the other side of the equal sign. That's all that is. But whatever's on the left side is always going to be equal to whatever's on the right side. So which one of these goes with this fact family? Which equations? So there's going to be more than one. So on your whiteboard, you're going to write just the letters that you would mark or circle. So if you think it's A, B, C, you would write A, B, C on your whiteboard and hold it up. It would be a great idea to write out your fact families first, your 4 fact families first that go along with 15 is equal to 9 plus 6. And then from there, you can see which ones work. So I'm going to give you 3 minutes. Go ahead and solve this problem. Which equations are in the same fact family? Which equations are in the same fact family? Just try your best and then we will go over it together. Hold your answers up when you are done. Make sure I think some friends might need to write out their fact families. That might help you. Remember, there's more than one equation that could be the answer. Yes, Liam, but you have to go fix it on Seesaw. So do that today, okay? Adrani, do you have a question?
Does my thing that I fixed my my final writing topic on Seesaw yesterday.
Yes, I think I took you off the list, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Can I write it in the chat?
No, we are going to get started in just a minute. Hold up your work. You have about 10 seconds. Hold up your work for me. And then we will go over these. Because I see lots of different answers. Okay, let's go over this. Giving me eyes.
Let's do some answers. Yeah.
Johnny, will you mute yourself, please?
Oh.
Thank you. Okay, go ahead and keep your papers down and following along, eyes are up here. So it says, which equations, so more than one answer, are in the same fact family as 15 is equal to 9 plus 6? So remember, what's on the left side is always going to be the same as the right side. So I could write it like this. I could write that fact family 9 plus 6 equals 15, or I can flip-flop it and write 15 is equal to 9 plus 6. I'm going to keep it as 15 is equal to 9 plus 6. So they gave you one fact family. What is our second addition fact family for this problem? What's our second addition fact family? Ojis, what's our second addition fact family?
Like 15 equal those numbers 15, 9 and 6.
Yes. How am I going to write it? So I have 9 plus 6 already. What's the other one? I'm going to flip-flop them. And it'll be
So
what?
then it will be 15 equals 9 plus 6.
We have 9 plus 6 here. What's the other one?
6 plus 9.
6 plus 9. Thank you. Okay, there's your 2 addition fact families. All right, let's do our subtraction fact families. Liam, what's one of our subtraction fact families?
Forward space, removes it, change the push below, that was throw.
Unmute yourself, Liam. Sorry, we have a poor connection. Will you type it into the chat? And Liam, your questions in the chat, go ahead and just hang back after we get off of math and we'll talk about it, okay? What's our other equation? So we need to have a subtraction equation. Do we have any idea, Liam? Okay, following along then. Jane, can you help Liam out? What's our subtraction problem for this one? Unmute yourself, Jane.
Maybe,
Let's use these numbers. What number are you going to start with?
wait, for subtraction,
For subtraction, yeah.
maybe 15 minus 9,
15 minus 9 equals?
6.
Awesome. Thank you, Jane. Jenna, can you give us our other subtraction problem?
Fifteen minus 6 equals 9.
15 minus 6 equals 9, so we just flip-flopped those. So now we have to decide, now that we've wrote out our 4 fact families, they're here for us. Now we can go and look at the answers and decide what ones work. From the start, I look at A and I know it's wrong. Why? Because we need 15, 9, and 6. This has a 3 in here. So we know A, not a part of this fact family. For B, do we have 15 minus 6 equals 9 over here? Nod your head yes or no. Yes or no. I see all yeses. Awesome. Yes, we have 15 minus 6 equals 9. It's right here. So B is one of your answers. Okay. What about C? We have 15 equals 6 plus 9. Do we see that on the other side? Yes or no? You can do thumbs up, thumbs down, or nod your head. Okay, I also see that. We have it right here. So we know that C is an answer. What about D? 15 equals 10 plus 5. Type in the chat, why is D not correct? What number gives it away that it is not a part of this fact family? Type it in the chat. Sahaj, try again. Oh, actually, no, you're right, Sahaj, I'm sorry. Right, so I see lots of, it has a 10 and a 5. Those aren't the numbers that we used. So you know that D, not a part of this fact family. What about 15 minus 9 equals 6? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do we think it's a part of the fact family or do we not think it's part of the fact family? I'm gonna wait till I see all thumbs. Do we think E is a part of the fact family or no? Okay, I see lots of thumbs up. Yes, 15 minus 9 equals 6. It's right here. So B, C, and E were all 3 a part of that fact family. Okay. Let's do one more problem. This is your exit ticket for today. And Liam, I want you to hang back, and Jet, I want you to hang back today. And I'll answer questions for you guys. Here is your final problem, and it is 14 minus 6. One method you need to show me. One method, make sure you show your work, and that is your exit ticket today. Okay. Yes, Maya, you can do thumbs up, thumbs down. Of course. She told me. Maya, it's like you're getting too old or something. What is this? Maya, it's pretty crazy. You are mom's twin. You guys are twins. Your guys' whole family, they're twins. But yes. Okay, exit ticket, 14 minus 6. You need one strategy. You need to show your work. Jalen, you are good to go. Sahaj, you are good to go. I can't tell who this is because your name's not on there. I think that's Maddie. Maddie, lower your, that is you. Okay, Maddie, you are good to go. Extra math today. You go and do extra math. Wyatt, you are good. Emily, can you hold it a little bit closer? Oh, there we go. Emily, you are good to go. Ojas, you're doing 14 minus 6. Do 14 minus 6, Ojas. Jane, you are good to go. Take your time, write neatly. Kendall, you are good to go. Extra math. Gwen, you are good to go. Extra math. Shazabe, extra math, go. Ojas, I need work. Show me your work. Mia, I need you to show me your work, not just an equation. Jet, I couldn't see your paper, I'm sorry. Hold it up one more time. Adeline, you are good to go. Jet, I want you to hang out here because I need to meet with you about writing. Okay? So just stay here, okay, Jet? Orion, you are good to go. Adrani, you are good to go. Zay, you may go. Extra math. Adrani, go get the rest of your unfinished work done, okay? Addison, 14 minus 6. Can I see your work, Addison? Eli, try, wait, what's your problem? 14 minus 6? I think you forgot a Okay, I saw that too. We both caught it at the same time. Okay, now hold it up. Jenna, you are good. Ojas, you are good. There we go, Eli, you are good. I was like, 4 minus.
Miss Mize? Miss Mize?
Yes, Ojas.
Am I supposed to do extra math?
Extra math, but doing unfinished work too, if you have anything that you haven't turned in, okay?
No, but I did none math.
Okay. Maya, you are good. Mia, you are good. Addison, good. Alan, good. Did Liam leave us? Liam left. Oh, darn. Okay, Jet, can you get out your writing packet? Get out your writing packet. Informational writing packet. Shreya, you are good. Bailey, let's see it. Oh, good. Yes, you are done. Look at that beautiful work. Jetto, it'll look like this. It'll say informational writing on it.